Remember whenever you thought you'd have work-life balance? Yeah, that's cute. You're now juggling invoices, time entries, and a spreadsheet called final_final_final master.xlxx or whatever. And your idea of break time is screaming into a pillow in between client calls. That was better. Yeah, I was right there with you until I found TPS Cloud Axis. It's the accounting practice management software that actually manages things. Time tracking, streamlined. Billing, it's done. Client docs, all in one place. Basically, it's like your chaotic workflow got a life coach and maybe a hug. So if you're one file crash away from throwing your laptop out the window, do yourself a favor. Book a free demo. Save your sanity. Maybe even take a lunch. You deserve it.